Hello everybody and welcome back to how to install OBS. So to install OBS, which is one of the best screen recording softwares that I'm actually using right now, click into Google Chrome or whatever your browser of choice is, and then go to obsproject.com. Then you're going to want to click on the Windows build, because unless you're on Mac or Linux, you will want the Windows build most likely. The Mac build also works, as well as the Linux one, but I'm using this on Windows. If you want a Mac tutorial, let me know down below. Click on the Windows build, and it will start the download. Wait for it to load, and in the meantime, if you like their service, you can donate and stuff like that. But for now, we're just going to be teaching you how to install it. So click into OBS Studio in your downloads. Then you'll see, do you want to allow this app to make controls and stuff to your device? Press yes. Then you're going to want to press next again, and next again. Then press install. You will see it is installing a bunch of stuff. This will take a little bit of time, so you can just sit tight. Then you can press finish, and you'll see it will launch OBS Studio 27.0.1. There are actually modifications to OBS that you can install, and I have a complete guide on my channel to a great way to configure OBS for streaming on Twitch, and some easy installs. Those are linked in the end screen, and you're seeing them right now. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.